Alright, I'll do a walk around for you guys, so at least you guys see this and see what's going on. But damn, if I do that, I would spoil a future episode. I'll figure something out for you guys. Alright, so I can't do a walk around. Shit. Damn it.
Focus.
Good morning. Greetings and salutations to whom it may concern. What's up? My name is Eddie. Hold on, I'm gonna make some noise. Opening my garage door. And just want to show you what I got going on. So, long story short, I got an extensive background in I guess you could say medium heavy truck repair, but my hobby is automotive. So I've always been messing around with Hondas. I'm in the process of doing a K series swap in this my '99 Civic Si. Fabricated my own brackets, or my engine mount brackets, all out of 3/16 sheet. So I'll show you a quick sample of something that I did. This is one of the brackets right here. Some of this stuff was water jetted out. Other stuff was just cut by me by hand, using just hand tools and stuff. I TIG welded everything together, powder coated the brackets. This is just one of them. I had to make 3, but this is just an example of like the stuff I like to do. So that's an example of that. And then this is a valve cover that I modified, or I'm in the process of modifying. Just shaving it, plugging everything up. Still got to weld in my AN bungs in the back, but covered up the dip stick opening, and also the fill and the crankcase breather. So TIG welded everything, made plugs, TIG welded, sent everything down. So this one's just setting it up with a K swap and my custom mounts, and doing some custom work on a valve cover, shaving it, TIG welding everything closed.
Just tells you.
This one is a 06 SI. I'm just setting that up for somewhat of a daily, but I want to track it. So, it's just something that I've had for a while, and I've been wanting to take it to the track for a while. So one of my other projects, I wanted to put a rotary engine in there, a 13B turbo. And, so I bought the swap a while back, and that project kind of got stalled. And then money, building a rotary reliably is not cheap. So this is what the rotary was going to go into, my '84 Corolla GTS. So when I ditched the rotary idea, I figured I'd go with the Honda. So I'm setting this one up with a K24 engine and a Honda S2000 transmission. I'll be making my own brackets, engine mount brackets and tranny brackets and all that fun stuff with that one. But yeah. Alright, what's up everybody? You're looking at future me because the clip you just watched was filmed a while back. So what I got going in the garage is new, or stuff that's, transpired over months, I guess you could say. Several months. So with that being said, mounts are done for the K swap and the AE86. My mounts are done in my EM1, the custom mounts I made. A bunch of stuff has been done. So I'm moving on to intake manifold, exhaust manifold, fabrication, oil pan fabrication for the Corolla. I gotta fabricate headers for the EM1, like you name it, I gotta do it for the most part. Even like paint and body work. So, if you guys like what you see, if it sounds appealing, if you're curious, like, subscribe, stay tuned, or don't like, don't subscribe, don't thumbs up, don't bell thingy it. I don't care. But if you guys want to keep track of what's going on with the builds, stay tuned, like, subscribe, bell, thingamajigger, all those YouTube things. And also, if any of you have any questions about any of the builds, like anything specific you want me to go over, obviously just Send me a question, send me whatever you're interested in, and I'll do my best to like integrate that stuff into the following videos. So stay tuned, guys. Eddie R, I'm signing out. Beautiful.
Mine goes 30, 60 miles an hour. It goes fast. Mine goes really faster than you. Mine goes fast.